In today's fascinating video, we will see how one of the world's most famous smartphones, the Apple iPhone, is manufactured in a factory. Building a complete iPhone requires advanced machinery, precision engineering, and strict quality control. So let's begin this amazing journey. First, the various components of the iPhone arrive at the factory from different parts of the world. These include the display, camera, battery, processor, speakers, and many other electronic components. Each part is carefully manufactured in its own specialized facility. Next, the iPhone's frame is produced. This frame is not made from ordinary metal but from special materials such as aluminum or titanium. Large CNC machines cut solid metal blocks into precise shapes. At this stage, accuracy is maintained down to thousandths of a millimeter. Once the frame is completed, it is polished to create a smooth and shiny surface. It then goes through various chemical processes to achieve its final color. This is one of the reasons why the iPhone's body is both attractive and durable. Now comes the circuit board, often referred to as the brain of the phone. Advanced robotic machines place thousands of tiny electronic components onto the motherboard. This process is performed with such speed and precision that it would be nearly impossible for humans to match. After that, the processor is installed. This chip serves as the core of the phone's performance. It enables the iPhone to run applications, process videos, and handle complex tasks. In the next stage, the camera module is assembled. The iPhone's camera system consists of multiple lenses and highly sensitive sensors. Each camera is individually tested to ensure outstanding image quality. Even the smallest defect is detected and removed immediately. Following this, the display assembly process begins. Large machines carefully install the display panel. Since the screen is the most visible part of the phone, no scratches, marks, or imperfections are allowed. Next, the battery is installed. Modern robotic systems position the battery accurately and connect it to the device. Multiple tests are conducted to ensure its safety and performance. Afterward, the speakers, microphone, vibration motor, and other small components are installed in their designated positions. All of these steps are carried out in a highly organized manner to ensure consistent quality across every device. Once all the components are in place, the phone moves to the next section of the assembly line. Here, the display and the body are joined together. Specialized machines apply precise pressure to fit the part securely, helping the device achieve strength and water resistance. The next step is software installation. Computerized systems load the operating system onto each new phone and complete the initial setup process. After that, the device is powered on for the first time. Once the phone is turned on, a series of inspections begins. The camera, touchscreen, speakers, microphone, sensors, and wireless connections are all tested. If even a minor issue is detected, the device is separated for further examination. During the quality control stage, specialized machines also test the phone's durability. Some devices undergo vibration testing, while others are exposed to different temperature conditions to ensure reliable performance in various environments. After successfully passing all tests, the phone is cleaned and given a final visual inspection. It is then carefully packaged. The box includes the phone along with the necessary documentation and accessories. Once packaging is complete, thousands of iPhones are prepared for shipment to countries around the world. Within a few days, these devices reach stores and eventually make their way into the hands of customers. Friends, manufacturing an iPhone involves much more than simply assembling a few components. Behind every device is advanced technology, the hard work of thousands of experts, and a highly sophisticated manufacturing system. What did you think about this incredible journey of iPhone production? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more fascinating and informative content. Thank you.